Look around us. There are so many paper products, from the sheets of the paper that you write on, to the pages of your textbook, egg cartons, to newspaper, to certain grocery bags, cardboard boxes, and the list continues. The important fact here is that paper is an essential part of our lives.
These warm orangey tones, that's forest disturbance. That means forest was removed. We didn't know that was going on. Colombia, Peru, Paraguay, Bolivia. We can go anywhere and see actual forests being cleared.
However, based on the news, the paper production process is one of the causes of mass deforestation. 41 million trees are cut down each day, making it 15 billion trees getting cut down each year. Malaysia itself cuts down 680,000 trees to make papers of marketable size. This is a serious environmental issue as it destroys animals' habitats, disrupts food chains, and food webs, making it a severe eyesore. This can also directly lead to increased carbon dioxide content in the atmosphere, and it could also lead to erosion of hillsides with the risk of flooding an area. We need to sustain the environment by recycling used paper to prevent those consequences from happening. So, we invented Trappo eco-activated carbon filter paper.
Trappo is a filter paper that is made from blending sugarcane cellulose fiber with waste paper and activated carbon powder. Trappo contains 85% of waste paper, 10% of sugarcane bagasse, and 5% of activated carbon powder. Trappo is intended to contribute to the improvement of 3R awareness and knowledge on VOCs removal in order to improve indoor and outdoor environment and also contribute in sustainable development.
How to make Trappo? First, mix waste paper with sugarcane bagasse and activated carbon. Soak the waste paper overnight in water and add sugarcane bagasse and activated carbon. Mix the mixture well. Trappo used activated carbon powder because it has large surface area through microporous structure than normal charcoal. There are many research proof that activated carbon powder from coconut shell is the best quality. This activated carbon powder will increases Trappo surface area. Thus, it will attract particles like a magnet. It will also absorb poisons, pollutants, and residues. We used activated carbon powder that is provided by Unimap because activated carbon is made by being placed in a tank without oxygen and subjecting it to extremely high temperatures. Trappo used sugarcane bagasse to increase its fiber cellulose. This fiber cellulose will filter particles that larger than the pores. It also strengthens Trappo sheet. Sugarcane bagasse will also replace pulps that lost during waste paper recycle process. This is because when a paper go through a recycle process, it will lose some of the pulp. Secondly, add a little bit of water to the mixture and blend the mixture by using a blender. After that, put the blended mixture in a basin full of water. Thirdly, fabricate Trappo sheet by using mold and decal technique. Dip mold and decal into the basin and let the water in the mold and decal drain away. Let the pulp in the mold and decal dry for a few minutes before take the mold and decal off. Fourth, press the Trappo sheet with a roller to let water out and let it dry.
We had conducted an experiment to test Trappo's capability to absorb pollutants and poison from cigarettes. The experiment setup is like this. Two suction is used to suck smoke from cigarette filter and cigarette paper. We can see the pictures from scanning electron microscope. We have Trappo A, which is before exposed to cigarette smoke. It has a lot of pores and clean. Meanwhile, Trappo B, which is after exposed to cigarette smoke, has some pollutants and poison from cigarette smoke. For table 1, Trappo A consists of carbon and oxygen. Meanwhile, Trappo B has decreasing carbon and oxygen contents but absorbs some poison from the cigarette smoke such as antimony and arsenic. For table 2, we use SBET machine that measures surface area to test Trappo sheet. We also can see that Trappo B, which is after exposed to cigarette smoke, has small surface area than Trappo A, which is not exposed to cigarette smoke, but Trappo B absorbs pollutants and poison from the cigarette smoke. This experiment proves Trappo's capability to absorb pollutants and poison.
What is Trappo's novelty? Trappo is a cost-effective product. Trappo's making process is simple and cheap, which reduces its cost. Trappo's activated carbon fiber sheet is cheaper than other brands. Trappo only costs 20 ringgit per 1 meter square because it is made out of waste materials. Trappo can turn waste into wealth. Because of its abundant materials and simple making process, it can be easily sold to commercial markets and earn profit. Trappo use reuse, reduce, and recycle principle. This principle is applied when Trappo use waste paper and sugarcane baggers in its making process.
Trappo is economic and eco-friendly due to their unique chemical composition, availability in abundance, renewable, low cost, and more efficient for heavy metal absorption. Trappo is ready to sell product, and Trappo can be used to make filter mask, closet deodorizer, air purifier filter, and much more. That's all from us. Thank you.